obligated?
Pulling you over is...
No, but what I'm saying is, am I legally obligated to give you an identification?
It's not the proper words to use.
So you're just making a consensual. Are you making an investigatory stop?
I'm checking you out, right?
Right.
Because you are parked again in a closed business district.
Private.
All right, folks, welcome back. This video comes to you from a channel called Hazard TV 1904. Again, folks, I'm the first subscriber to a new channel. I really do appreciate you guys getting inspired by my channel or my work, recording police, reaching out to me, sending us your videos. You guys, that's exactly what happened with Jay's surreal camera. As soon as he recorded his very first CopWatch or traffic stop, he recorded it and sent it to me, and I shared it right away. And since that day, Jay and I became friends. I spoke to Jay a lot on the phone. He came out to California twice to come out and visit me. He stayed with me a week each time. We did a lot together, folks. We recorded together. We did a world record breaking First Amendment audit with most cops called on one audit, and that was at the LAPD Training Academy. You guys, I can only hope that Hazard TV 1904 continues his channel. This guy's gonna hold his officials accountable, especially if they pull him over for no reason. In this video, he was just hanging out in a parking lot at night after work, and cops come asking him questions. Check out this video. Go subscribe to Hazard TV. Before you do, check out this clip from Jay's surreal camera. All right, folks. Here we go. I'll put the links in the description and in the pinned comment.
Yo, San Joaquin, what's up? Shout out to San Joaquin. Transparency. He was my first subscriber. That was the one that gave me the big push, man, to start doing what I'm doing. So big shout out to him. And case dismissed. Accurate Amanda, case dismissed. Everybody, case dismissed.
Are you ready? You're doing my job, and that's what we're gonna do.
Right. No,
just like you record, we record.
Yeah, I don't have access to that.
That's
though.
my job.
Yeah.
Is to come out here and contact people, and of course it looks suspicious that you're out here sleeping, right? You see any other cars around?
I don't see anybody working here.
Right? Any other people around?
What I was saying is, with all due respect, did I have the right to refuse to give you my ID?
No.
How's that so? Just
because
to get educated on it.
I need to know who I'm talking to.
Under what section? You know,
right?
what statute are you stating for that exactly?
Everyone that we contact, we get ID for to identify.
No, I understand
like
that.
I said, and if you're not doing anything wrong, you're not going to be under arrest or be taken to jail or anything of that nature.
Yeah, but you understand where I'm coming from. You see me in construction clothes. This is private property.
So do people in construction clothes not commit crimes?
Okay, you're trying to interrupt me, but here's what I'm trying to say. If this is private property, you asked me for my identification for a parking violation for suspicious
I never
activity.
said it was a parking violation. I told you you were suspicious
because
you're parked on private property next to closed businesses.
Right?
Right.
A work construction uniform. And, you know, I get what you're saying.
What I was trying to say anything about construction.
What I was trying to say,
construction.
Officer Sanchez, what I was trying to say, I'm not trying to make it a big deal. I'm just trying to get educated on it. I'm not trying to be, you're not trying to be hostile towards you.
Right.
I've just been trying to record my situations when, you know, contact with law enforcement. Obviously, like, I've had bad experiences, so I want to make sure that you're doing the right thing when you pull me over. So right now, when you say you get in contact with me, am I legally obligated?
Pulling you over is...
No, but what I'm saying is, am I legally obligated to give you an identification?
It's not the proper words to use.
So you're just making a consensual. Are you making an investigatory stop?
I'm checking you out, right?
Right.
Because you are parked again in a closed business district.
Private.
Right? So that's why I stopped to chat with you to see what it is that you're doing here.
Gotcha.
Do people break into businesses that are closed? Absolutely, on a daily basis.
Yeah, I know.
On the street.
Not just here, but anywhere.
I understand.
Right?
You could understand my point of view, right? As far as construction closed, construction job site.
Do I know that before I get here and I talk to you? I don't know that. Right?
So what I'm trying to get to right now,
could you be breaking into something? Absolutely.
What I'm trying to get to, officer, is did I really have to identify myself?
Yes.
Under what grounds?
I'm talking to you, so yes, you have to identify yourself.
I don't have to if I'm not committing a crime.
I'm not going to go I'm not going to go back and forth with you.
Neither am I.
Okay, you were very cooperative. You gave me your driver's license, so thank you.
Right. And like I told you, I just wanted to get educated on it, right?
Right.
I'm not trying to be arbitrary.
I think now you're just trying to blow this up because you're recording.
I'm trying to get information, and because I'm recording, I want to figure out exactly what my law is. So when I ask somebody, hey, dude, Officer Sanchez, badge number what? I'm sorry?
637.
And Officer Ramsey?
Yep.
What badge number?
118.
118. When I ask somebody, hey, Officer Sanchez and Officer Ramsey pulled me over from what district or what PD department are you from?
Okay, first of all, okay, it's real simple. We didn't
What
pull you
police
over.
department?
Yes.
Okay,
You
when
already
Officer Sanchez and Officer Ramsey approached me to investigate a suspicious activity, was I legally obligated to hand them my ID as well as my passenger? And if I would have refused to, what would have been the circumstances?
I'm not going to go into what if. Okay?
Okay, so next time I get pulled over,
You didn't get pulled over. You were already stopped in a closed business.
And like I said, I've already determined that you're not doing anything. Right? So we're going to be on our way.
You can park on the street in front of the construction site. That's not a closed business.
Okay. Are we done here, officers?
Definitely.
Appreciate it.
Have a great day.
Likewise.
All right, folks, so I've been running the San Joaquin Valley Transparency channel for about 6 years now. I've done my best to help grow the community. I always remind you guys to record the police. Send your videos to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. That's our email. That's where you can reach us, folks. If you have a video, send it to us there. Copy your links, paste it on the email, and send it. If you want to stay anonymous, let us know. If you want us to share your video, try and put as much information as possible, including timestamps of important things to look at. That helps us push these videos out faster. All right, guys, why is my channel important? When we first started, we set out just to record police in Bakersfield, California, because we wanted them to think and believe and feel that somebody was always recording them, even if somebody wasn't. As we continued our channel, we seen that the channels that were before me really tried to corner the market and not really help smaller channels grow. When I seen this pattern, I quickly set out to help smaller channels grow because I knew that was the only way that we can possibly create change. And if anyone paying attention to my work knows that more change has come from a camera and viral videos than years of incremental reform legislation. We set out on a mission, folks. I do believe that our mission has been successful up to date, but we're not done, folks. We want to continue to help your channels grow. We want to continue to inspire you, motivate you, not just to know your rights, but to hold your public officials accountable. We're going to go ahead and teach you the First Amendment of the Constitution right now. And the reason that is important is because the First Amendment mirrors your natural rights. These are the rights that you were born with. Nobody, not even with the gun and a badge, can walk up to you and take away your rights. I mean, they do all the time, but they're not supposed to. So it's important that you know what your rights are and that you always record. And what is the First Amendment, folks? You have a freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom to assemble, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Thank you all for tuning in. Go subscribe to Hazard TV 1904. Let him know San Joaquin sent you. Let's help his channel grow, and let's let his public officials know that the people are watching. Thank you, guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to my channel because we're working on another video as we speak. Until then, folks, record police now. Peace.